Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through a simple yet essential process on Snapchat: how to view your friends list. Whether you're new to Snapchat or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial is perfect for you. First things first, open the Snapchat app on your device. You should see the familiar Snapchat icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you've opened it, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, take a moment to sign in. Now, let's get started. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your Snapchat profile, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you see the Friends section. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled My Friends. Tap on this to access your complete list of friends on Snapchat. Here, you'll see all the people you've added and who have added you back, making you official friends on the platform. Your friends list will be displayed alphabetically, making it easy to find specific friends. You can also tap on a friend's name to view your chat history and other details about your interactions with them. This feature is not only useful for keeping track of your connections, but also for managing your friendships. You can use this list to send snaps, start conversations, or even remove friends if needed. Snapchat's privacy settings ensure that you can't view other people's friends lists, which is a great way to maintain privacy on the platform. However, you can use features like Quick Add to discover new friends based on mutual connections. That's it. Viewing your friends list on Snapchat is straightforward and only takes a few taps. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.